umakoti belahlekelwe futhi nawo umzukulu nomphakathi wakulendawo yasoTongati ngesihlumu esibhlungu kangaka salengozi eyenzakalile. uJehova kaniqinise futhi. Ngiyacela ke ukukhalela ke futhi ke umndeni wakwamajola omalinga ababuya eJohannesburg nemndeni nabangani ozakwabo ababesebenza nabo nababakhonza nabo nabangani nje ke bonke. We are live on social media, on Facebook, to celebrate this service and the last tribute, to pay the last tribute kasisi uNthabiseni Majola no ndodakazi wakhe. There are people who wanted to come here kodwa bathi ke they're gonna watch ngenxa yokuhlonipha imiqathango kahulumeni ka-COVID.